When Nissan overhauled the Armada for the 2025 model year, it added an off-road-focused PRO for X model for the first time, complete with red tow hooks, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. Now, the company continues to expand the full-size SUV lineup, introducing the sporty 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO, which gains more power, an assertive body kit, and a retuned chassis. This 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO marks the first time an Armada has been NISMO'd, and for the US market. In fact, the NISMO Armada makes for the most powerful Armada to date. To go along with the performance upgrades, Nissan gave the Armada a muscular makeover. Fender flares emphasize the confident stance, and the front end is significantly more brutish. With a larger grille flanked by vertical slashes that direct air around the front wheels, a splitter juts out below, concealing LED fog lamps and carrying the same red accent seen on both sides of the grille. The rear diffuser, the sculpted side skirts, and the side view mirrors. The body kit lowers the SUV's minimum ground clearance by 0.7 to 8.9 inches and has a Fast and Furious-like appearance. The NISMO still packs the same twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6 as lesser Armadas, but Nissan managed to extract an extra 35 horsepower, bringing the total to 460 ponies. Nissan says the gains came from engine reprogramming and revising the valve clearances. The Armada also has a retuned exhaust, but we weren't able to hear how it sounds. There's also an active sound enhancement system that Nissan says boosts the engine note in the cabin. To give the NISMO variant a more athletic driving demeanor, Nissan retuned the steering and adjusted the air suspension. The Armada NISMO wears exclusive 22-inch forged wheels, fitted with Bridgestone Alenza Sport AS, Enlighten all-season tires, and the brake calipers are painted red. NISMO badges are located in the center of each fascia below the Nissan emblem, an unusual logo placement. The cabin is decked out in red accents, with a red microsuede quilted insert on the charcoal leather seats, and a red stripe on the center console. The color also appears on the air vent trim, the stitching, and the 12 o'clock marker on the steering wheel. The NISMO logo is stitched into the headrests, embossed in the steering wheel, and found on the floor mats. The NISMO adds aluminum pedals and multicolor ambient lighting. The front seats, which are 12-way power adjustable with 4-way lumbar as standard, also feature adjustable side bolsters to better hold you in place while making the most of that 460 horsepower. Other standard features include a heated and power-adjustable steering wheel, heated and massaging front seats, and Eclipse 12-speaker sound system. The red detailing continues in the cabin, where strikingly red quilted seat inserts sit atop dark grey leather. NISMO badges appear on all the headrests, and adjustable side bolsters on the front seats are there to handle whatever life throws at you, or whatever way you choose to drive this big boy luxury SUV. Nissan offers 2 levels of ProPilot assist for the Armada. Version 2.1 is available above the base grade and comes with enhanced hands-free self-driving features. Other upgrades include an air suspension, head-up display, and massaging front seats. All NISMOs come with a dual panoramic sunroof, a motion-activated liftgate, and a 3D surround view camera. The best news is, despite all of these changes, the Armada NISMO carries the same 8,500-pound towing capacity as all other trims, meaning it can be the perfect companion to your Z-Track car.